Okay, so I've been neglecting to do this video for a while, but I figured it's time to do it, so here we go. Of course, over the summer we bought treats and stuff like that. Everybody's familiar with Hostess. We got all these treats. We actually got a box of them, and in the very bottom of this box was this pack here. Now I found it interesting because I'll show you that it's not in any way open anywhere. It's really funny. See, you can squeeze it and you can see it's not open on either end. But there's only one cupcake in it. I'm not sure how that happened either. But yeah, in the bottom of the box was this one. They were stacked like this, so we didn't know. And it's really weird. It says 2 cakes. See, look, right there. 2 cakes. Hostess got a cake. But, oh well. I guess that happens. Not really going to fret about it myself. In fact, instead, I'm going to have me a cupcake. And, yeah, this was just a short video over Hostess cupcakes. I guess it happens to somebody every now and then. Weird thing. I don't know if I'm going to have a cupcake or if I want to have 2 cupcakes. So, I guess I will make my decision. It's never been opened, only 1 cupcake. Maybe I should never open that. Just keep it like a collectible. Like, this is what Hostess did a long time ago. I might just eat it. I'm sure somebody else has got something like that. If this has ever happened to you, just leave a comment down below. I want to know about it. Talk to you guys later.